This is a presentation discussing 1000 Minds and how my group used the program to make a decision. I am part of Group 2. My name is Jessica Bouvier, and my group members are Casey Cartwright and Sheila Hensbach. The first slide shows the setup set of the 1000 Minds process. In this step, you choose a model name, decide the activity mode, and determine what the question is that you want to work to answer. We use the model name of Steakhouse Comparison Team 2. The activity mode that we used is the selection considering other factors too. We use this selection to rank the importance of criteria, prioritize alternatives, and select alternatives based on other factors. Lastly, we determined the question we wanted to use the 1000 Mind decision-making process to answer as which is the most profitable restaurant. To compare the restaurants, we had to pick criteria that would eventually be used to rank the restaurants. The criteria we thought would be useful to answer the question, which is the most profitable restaurant, includes visibility, image, restaurant square foot, closeness to customers, comfort, car parking facilities, branding, credibility/track record, and growth potential. As you can see, these each have their own ranking as visibility and image, comfort, car parking facilities, branding, credibility, track record, growth potential all have the lowest rank being very poor and the highest rank being very good. For restaurant square footage, we use different numbers. We use 4,000 to 4,999 is the lowest ranked, and the highest ranked was more than 7,000 square foot. For the closeness to customers, our lowest ranked was a large distance away, and our highest ranked was very close to the customers. The alternatives we used were the different restaurants we wanted to compare. We chose Applebee's, Black Rock, Outback Steakhouse, Red Robin, Texas Roadhouse, and TGI Fridays. We researched each restaurant to get the information to answer the questions on the criteria page. This slide shows the answers we provided for the criteria. This slide also shows the other factors that 1000 Minds decision process gave us to answer, including initial setup, that would be the cost of the initial setup, average monthly payroll, market and demand, and success of other businesses in the area, risk of fire or bad weather claims, and the confidence that the rent will not increase. The answers to the criteria and other factors will rank the restaurants for us in the 1000 Minds decision-making process. The ranked alternatives slide shows how each restaurant ranked and its total score. For this decision, Outback ranked number 1 at 98.9%. Applebee's ranked second with 84.8%. Black Rock ranked third with 84%. Red Robin ranked fourth at 82.2%. Texas Roadhouse ranked fifth at 82%. And TGI Friday ranked sixth at 79.5%. So, to answer our question, which is the most profitable restaurant, Outback Steakhouse would be the answer. With help from the 1000 Minds decision-making process, my group determined that Outback Steakhouse would be a good franchise option because their locations are the most profitable.